Good evening, Chief Families, and welcome to the 2023-24 school year. My name is Tamika Robinson. I'm the proud principal here at Santa Lucia's High School, and it is an absolute pleasure to have you guys join us this evening. It has been a great start to the school year. We have amazing teachers and students here, so it's been a great start to the school year. One thing I would like to share is that this year we have a few mandates that we really need our students to follow. And for the most part, they've been doing an excellent job following those state mandates. But parents, I would like to review them with you just so that you are aware. The first one is that all students have to have an ID visible while they are on campus. So that's throughout the entire instructional day. Students must wear their IDs. Secondly, students are not allowed to use their cell phones while in the classroom unless they're being used for instructional purposes. So unless the teacher tells a student they're able to use their phone in their classroom, cell phones should be out of sight and in the off position. And then also, the state has required that students who are going to be seen by our school nurse must complete a sign on file, which is form number 2667. Parents, you will be receiving that form starting tomorrow if you haven't done so already. And that form must be signed by a legal parent or guardian. So that would be in the case of an emergency, if a student needs to go to the nurse, he or she may be seen by our nurse Stephanie. So it's just really important that our students follow all of these mandates. I would like to also share that we have great programs that we offer here at Santa Lucia's. We have an array of academy programs as well as ACE courses and advanced placement. We also offer dual enrollment classes here on campus. So I know that Santa Lucia's is by far the best high school in Palm Beach County, and that I'm so happy that our students excel and do their absolute best. I'm very confident that we will graduate all of our students if they do the things that are required of them, that they do so. However, one of our goals here at Santa Lucia's is to make sure that we prepare our students for post-secondary success, which is that they take accelerated coursework or an industry certification so that they can get that exposure for the real world after high school. So again, thank you for coming out this evening. We really are pleased to see all of you. And tonight, you're not going to have an opportunity to have a parent conference, but you are able to schedule a conference if that's something that you would like to do. But you will meet the teachers, and you will also have an opportunity to learn more about the classes that your student is enrolled in. So as always, if there's anything that I can do to assist you, please don't hesitate to ask. It's an absolute pleasure to serve as your student's high school principal, and I look forward to seeing you guys around. Thank you.